Now that we know what a workspace is and how we can manage it, it is also time to learn about how to set up and manage your user settings, your profile. You can easily do this by going to the top right corner and press the drop-down menu. From here, you will be able to go to your settings. And from the settings, you will have your initial tab, the profile tab, where you can update your photo to anything you like to. You can also update your name, and you will be able to set your time zone and your time format. If you go towards the security tab, you will also be able to update your password settings. So you will be able to insert your current password and then insert and confirm your new password as well. Just press update and you will be able to update your password without any problems. You can also enable two-factor authentication if you like to. In order to use this two-factor authentication, you must install the Google Authenticator or Authy application on your smartphone.